Welcome to Beyond the Datasheet. In this video, we're digging into practical techniques to build more resilient 24-volt DC power systems, especially when you're dealing with multiple loads or unpredictable inrush currents. You'll get clear considerations you can take straight into your next design. So we have a three-tiered approach: good, better, best. The XLB being good, the XLE being better, and then the XLS being the best. Now this is helpful in your design considerations. If you look at your total control circuit and the current is right around 5 amps, good engineering practice would say bump up to the next size, a 10 amp power supply. But the XLS has a 150% power boost, so you can still stay at a 5 amp power supply and ride through any inrush currents like solenoids and contactors coming online. Now another consideration is in critical applications, sometimes you need to have redundancy built into your system. So the traditional way is having a 3-unit configuration, 2 power supplies and 1 redundancy module. But the most efficient way to do that is with the new power supplies. They have redundancy built into them. Another nice feature is if one of these power supplies fails, they have hot swap connectors. So you don't even have to take out a screwdriver to remove the wires. If the power supply goes bad, you can unplug the connector, get rid of the old one, bring the new one in, plug it in. Traditional circuit breakers were not designed to protect sensitive equipment. Most of our 24-volt DC control devices are green board devices with sensitive electronics. So in an overcurrent condition, a circuit breaker might trip in 3 to 5 seconds. But with the 1694 product, this is electronic circuit protection, this will trip in less than 1 second to protect those sensitive devices. Now, in an overcurrent condition, you have LEDs on the front here that will turn red to tell you which circuit has tripped. These LEDs are push buttons, so once the situation is dealt with, you can come back, push this in, reset the circuit. These LEDs will also give you a green and yellow indication. Green being good, yellow being we're at 90% of the overall circuit, so potentially could be tripping soon, and then red being a fault. One other consideration is NEC Class 2. So NEC Class 2 is a requirement for many field devices. Most of these devices are listed to have an NEC Class 2 power source. The main component of a Class 2 power source is being 100 watts or less. So we can feed this circuit protection module with a 20 amp or 40 amp power supply and still meet Class 2 with the Class 2 protection modules. And you can get them in 1, 2, 3, or 4 amp modules. Understanding these newer options will help you overcome design challenges like inrush current, redundancy, and circuit protection. These small but important details will help you build stronger 24-volt systems that hold up under real-world conditions. It's one more way to connect power with possibility.